Howdy folks again. This is another episode 6, season 1 for our Cosmos Progressive Web app. I was promising uh, for ages to ship another feature for my layer manager here, where in our previous episodes, demos basically, we had the shape that is the very last in the list of a layer manager for this wave configuration, wave shape. Uh, And yeah, we had this sort of buggy behavior where yes, the very first top shape in the list is the one that is closest to the reader's eye, but the GUI bindings worked in that sense that it works for this like wave three as in our example, which is like last in the list, which is not very intuitive. What I wanted to do is basically you have this like shape yellow, like a periodic function, basically, wave, basically, yeah. And this is basically, yeah, it's first on the list and it's closest to the user eye, and you want to basically do the same with the GUI bindings to control it via inputs. And basically, the magic happened. Yes, this is a new commit that is shipped with this new feature. And let me just show you how it works. I got this. Basically, you see three shapes hiding one after another. I'll just reload for the sake of initial settings. And yeah, see what I got. Yeah, I got this because this is top level. Um, I mean, first on the list of a layer manager. And I get the same reflection here. Let's say now this is on top, and I get the same idea here. And looks how nice it works. Like it just overlaps, and you do all this sort of like magic with inversions and a frequency and anything you like, basically, right? I mean, now it's just much easier and more intuitive to do any sort of pattern. Obviously, you have to bring it to the top to control, but you get the idea. And now I'm at this stage where as a developer, uh, obviously using web technologies, particularly like HTML Canvas API. Obviously, this is a wrapper. I use Convo.js. Big credits, big kudos to Anton, who is basically current and perhaps the only um, author and contributor of Convo.js project. Yeah, it's just really encouraging to go further, and like I said, I'm at that point where I feel so esteemed. And yeah, so for now you just see this, and it's just a big motivation for me to keep moving with all this UI stuff I have here, and just implement more features, such something like a Bezier curve, which is one of my future goals, and obviously state management and overall responsive design improvements. So hopefully you're gonna see much more coming shortly after this, sometime in the future, near the future. So yeah, thanks for watching and see you in the next one.